Hello, mathematicians, and welcome to your very last number corner of the year. Today, we will be working on our calendar grid. You will need your number corner book opened to page 88, a pencil, and 4 crayons. One of your crayons must be green. You can choose the colors of your other 3 crayons. I will be using red, orange, and yellow, but you can use whatever 3 colors you would like. You can pause the video now to get what you need. Today, we will be on page 88. We are going to work on this workbook page. We will be completing the equations and coloring in the thousands grid. Let's have a closer look at some of our equations. The instructions for this page tell you to solve each set of problems and color in the squares as directed to make a picture of something people used to wear in Australia to keep the flies away. There are many flies and other very annoying insects in the outback. This picture that you color will show what some people used to wear to protect themselves from these pests. We will start with our green crayon. Your first equation says something equals 940 minus 170. There are many ways that you could solve this problem using the strategies we've learned this year. One strategy you could use is the thousands grid that you're coloring in. So let's start at the number 940 and see if we can find our answer. If we're at 940 and we need to subtract 170, we could make one big jump right away. We could jump backwards by 100 from 940 to 840. Now I know we need to count backward by 70 more. So we can just count by tens until we get to 70 to find our answer. Let's take our backwards jumps. By 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 940 minus 170 is 770. So we need to color this whole square in green. I'll do that now. You could pause your video if you need to. Your first square you color in should look like this. Remember, after you solve your equation, make sure you cross it off so you don't accidentally try to solve it twice. For your first row of equations, you'll be coloring everything green. For your second row, you can choose any 3 colors you like, as long as they aren't green. When you're all finished, you will have a picture, and you can learn more about that picture in Seesaw. This is your very last number corner activity for this year. Congratulations, mathematicians. You did a wonderful job. Your teachers are so excited to see what you can do. Turn this in, and thank you for joining me for Number Corner.